everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create collage on your Instagram story. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open Instagram and here click on plus icon. Here you can see, after that you need to upload a story on Instagram. Here you can see, click on, now you need to select a story for your Instagram. For example, this is my story background. Now click on, here you can see this sticker icon. Here you can see, after that here scroll down and here you can see option. Here you can see option, click on this. Here you can see, click on this option. After that you need to add multiple picture, for example one. Now again click on this button, again click on this button, and again upload a new picture. Again click on this one and again click on this one, again click on this one. In this way you can upload unlimited picture, multiple picture as you want. After that you can also change these shapes, heart, star, and in this way you can create a collage on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.